You guys are doing fine today. I hope you've seen my video on South Spain, which was the Canary Islands. Today we are going to continue exploring south of Spain, which is Costa del Sol. It's in Andalusia, and we are going to see some of the beaches, food, and other tourist places that you should definitely visit. So as you can see, the nearest airport is Malaga, and you could probably hire a car from Malaga and drive through the coast down to Marbella. Marbella is a small town and it has many beautiful beaches. So I'll quickly do a stopover in Marbella and show you a few beaches of Marbella and how the town looks like. So other than the beaches, guys, which we'll be discussing in a minute, if you can look at the buildings, and of course these houses, they're called Casa Española. They are typical heritage buildings, and you can see how people are in the open air enjoying the sun. Which is of course Costa del Sol, Marbella. It's known for its views and the sunshine. Just look at the houses and how they've maintained the heritage buildings. How nicely it's maintained, and it's beautiful, isn't it? It's a typical plaza. And in the back street you've got a lot of casas where people actually reside. It's not very far from the beach. The beach is at a walking distance. Of course this place has shopping. They have boutiques and hotels, and places to stay are nearby. A lot of the tourists also own their own properties, holiday homes, so that they can come down in the summer and enjoy the beach. So the first beach I'm talking about today is Puerto Banús. It's a luxury beach. You might be able to spot some big celebrities in this region. A lot of people own their private yacht. Then all the luxury shopping is in Puerto Banús. For hikers, it's a paradise too, because you can hike and the views are mesmerizing. You should definitely visit Pueblo Blanco. It's very pretty. The buildings are heritage. It's part of the old town. There are churches and small shops which are worth visit. And the next beach I would suggest would be Playa del Faro. Faro means lighthouse, and this beach is also very close to the city center, the small town. It's at walking distance from the town. You will be able to see small eateries, which in Spanish are called chiringuitos. So fast food is available over there, and also Spanish tapas, famous tapas are available as well. So we are now looking at Bounty Beach, which is at the seafront of Marbella. So while you are on this beach, you should definitely visit Bounty Restaurant, which serves yummy seafood paella. So some of the popular foods are gazpacho and reserved ham, of course, and some fresh seafood like prawns. So this is called espetos, and it's probably the most famous dish in Malaga. It's a skewer made out of sardines or prawns. It's grilled or barbecued, and basically, if you can see the shape, it's made in a boat shape, and it's a very popular food of Andalusia. So this next dish is called boquerones. They are fresh anchovies served deep fried with some lemon as a garnish. So this next dish is fritura malagueña. Fritura means fried. It's fresh seafood without any sauce, just with some salt, pepper and lemon.
let me ride. Way, oh, way, oh, oh. I could be the best thing in your life. Way, oh, way, oh, oh. You got me singing. Way, oh, way, oh, oh. You look like a guy you could treat me right. Way, oh, way, oh, oh. Boy, take a chance, will you let me ride?
So that's it for today, people. If you like this video, then please subscribe to my channel. See you soon. Bye bye.